Hi there. Today we are diving into some cool ways to improve our English speaking. Ready?
Absolutely. Let's make learning English a blast.
So, how do you usually greet people in English?
Well, a simple hello or hi is a great start, and do not forget the friendly smile.
What about introducing yourself in English?
Easy. Hi, I am Alex. Nice to meet you.
Awesome. And if someone asks, how are you? How do you respond?
A simple, I am good, thank you. How about you, works like magic.
Great. Now, what if you want to be more casual, like with friends?
You can say, hey, what's up, or how's it going? Super chill.
Perfect. Mixing formal and casual greetings keeps it interesting. Anything else?
Oh, definitely. Throw in a, hey there, or what's cracking, for some extra flair.
Love it. Greetings can be so much fun. Ready for the next topic?
Absolutely. Bring it on.
Okay, let's spice things up. How about greeting someone in the afternoon or evening?
Sure, instead of good morning, you can say good afternoon or good evening.
Excellent. And when it's time to say goodbye?
A simple goodbye or see you later works, but you can also say take care or have a great day.
Nice touch. Now, what if you're excited to meet someone?
You can express excitement by saying, nice to meet you, with extra enthusiasm.
Perfect. And what if you meet someone you already know?
A friendly, hey again, or long time no see, keeps it warm and casual.
Exactly. Greetings can be like a mini adventure. Mixing it up adds a dash of personality.
Totally. Experimenting with greetings makes conversations more lively and interesting.
All right. Let's take it to the next level. How about introducing someone else?
Got it. You can say, this is Mike, my friend, or meet Mike, my awesome buddy.
Excellent. And what if you forget someone's name?
Happens to the best of us. You can say, sorry, I am terrible with name, can you remind me?
Perfect recovery. Now imagine you're at a party. How would you start a conversation?
Easy. You can say, hi, I am Alex, what brings you to the party? It opens up the conversation.
Great icebreaker. And if you want to be more casual in a social setting?
You can go with a simple, hey, or what's up.
Fantastic. Now, imagine meeting someone for the first time online. How do you start?
For sure. You can say, hi, nice to meet you, or hello, great to connect virtually.
Love the online twist. Greetings are like the opening scene of a movie. Sets the tone for everything.
Absolutely. And the more comfortable you get with greetings, the more confident you become in any situation.
Ready for a quick fire round? Imagine you're in a hurry. How do you greet someone fast?
Got it. Hey, quick hi. Gotta run, catch you later.
Perfect. Now, what if you meet someone older? Or in a more formal setting?
Remember, respect is key. You can go with, hello, sir, or a polite, how do you do?
Excellent. And if you're meeting someone younger, or in a casual setting?
Keep it relaxed, hey there, or a friendly, what's up, does the trick.
Nice versatility. What's your go-to greeting when you're super excited?
Hey, thrilled to meet you, or a cheerful, hi, so excited.
Time for the finale. Imagine you are meeting someone you admire. How would you greet them?
A mix of respect and excitement. I would say, hello Mr. John, such an honor to meet you. Big fan.
Perfect. Now, what if you are introducing someone to a group?
Simple and inclusive. Everyone, meet Mr. Alex, or add a personal touch like, this is my amazing friend, Alex.
Great strategies. And if you want to keep it casual with a friend you haven't seen in a while?
Easygoing and heartfelt. Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
Any special greeting for our awesome viewers?
Of course. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining our English adventure. Let's learn and have fun together.
That was fun. Keep those greetings rolling and we will catch you in the next session. Until then, happy practicing.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, and soon, English will be a piece of cake. Stay tuned for more fun conversations.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English speaking adventures.